아빠는 차를 샀어요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is appa는, because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to tackle about the word APPA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 133. APPA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is a, second syllable is pa. APPA. The word APPA is simply the Korean noun for dad. If dad is the short term for father, APPA is the short term for abuji. Now, how do we spell APPA in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable a in Hangul, we need to draw first an iyong character followed by an a character. For the second syllable ba, we need to draw first a sang biyop character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of the word APPA. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word APPA, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, Dad bought a car. The Korean translation of this sentence is 아빠는 차를 샀어요. Again, 아빠는 차를 샀어요. The first part of the sentence is 아빠는. It involves APPA, which is our word for today. 아빠는 is the subject, APPA means dad, and 는 is just a subject particle. The second part of the sentence is 차를. 차 means car, and 를 is just an object particle. 차를 itself pertains to the object of the sentence. The last part of the sentence is 샀어요, and this is the past tense of buy. 샀어요 is just the past tense of 사다. How is 사다 transformed into 샀어요? We'll be using the same method. We'll start with 사다 as the root verb, which means to buy, and then we will remove da to leave behind sa. And since the ending vowel sound of sa is not a or o, we'll be adding aso. Sa plus aso is saso. Saso is the past tense of sada. And then we just have to add yo to make it a little bit more polite. So saso plus yo is sasoyo. Just a quick recap. 아빠는 means dad, 차를 means car, and sasoyo means bought. And these three combined would result in a sentence that means dad bought a car. So if we will look back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 아빠는 차를 샀어요 is simply dad bought a car. And with that, you've just learned APPA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 123 to 132. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 133, APPA. And this is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is OMMA. And this is the Korean noun for mom. Word number 131 is nolda. This is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is apayo, and this is a semi-formal way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is jaljayo, and this is a standard or casual way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is uri. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is uyu, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is sada. This is a root verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yoja, and this is Korean noun for woman. Word number 124 is namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. And the last for our review is word number 123, jada. This is a root verb which means to sleep. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 엄마, 보고 싶어요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 엄마. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word 엄마. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 132. 엄마. 엄마. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is the second syllable is ma. Pronounce it with me. 엄마. 엄마. The word 엄마 is simply the Korean noun for mom. If mom is the short term for mother, 엄마 is the short term for 어머니. How do we spell 엄마 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable in Hangul, we need to draw first an iyong character followed by an o character followed by a miyom character. For the second syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyom character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word 엄마. And that is how you write or spell 엄마 in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word 엄마, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, Mom, I miss you. The Korean translation of this sentence is 엄마 보고 싶어요. 엄마 보고 싶어요. This sentence could be divided into two parts. The first part is 엄마. Since this is our word for today, we already know that it means mom. The second part of the sentence is 보고 싶어요, which means I want to see. But how is 보고 싶어요 formed? 보고 싶어요 originated from a root verb 보다 and another root verb 보고 싶다. 보다 means to see and 보고 싶다 means to want. 보고 싶다 is formed by removing da from 보다 and adding 보고 싶다. So 보고 싶다 is another verb that means to want to see. So it becomes a sort of a compound verb. If you'll notice, this is one new method introduced into this channel, and this is the first time that we will be using 보고 싶다. So for the future lessons, if we wanted to express that we want to do something, we'll be using this same method of adding 보고 싶다. So from 보고 싶다, we will transform it into its present tense form. Take note, 보고 싶다 is still a verb. And now, we'll be transforming it into 보고 싶어요, which is its present tense, by using the usual method. So 보고 싶다 is a verb that means to want to see. And then, we'll remove da to leave behind 보고 싶. And since the ending vowel sound of 보고 싶 is not a or o, we'll be adding 어요. So 보고 싶 plus 어요 is 보고 싶어요. And now, we have the present tense form of 보고 싶다, which is 보고 싶어요. And that is how Pogo Shipoyo is formed. Just a quick recap. Omma means mom and Pogo Shipoyo means I want to see. And this combined would result to a sentence that means I want to see my mom. So if we will look back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence Omma Pogo Shipoyo is simply Mom, I want to see you. But this is similar to saying Mom, I miss you. And with that, you've just learned Omma. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 122 to 131. But don't forget, our word for today is Omma, and this is the Korean noun for mom. This can also be remembered as the short term for Omoni. Word number 131 is Norda. This is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is apayo, and this is a semi-formal way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is jajayo, and this is a standard or polite way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is uri. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is uyu, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is sada, and this is a root verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yoja, and this is the Korean noun for woman. Word number 124 is namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. Word number 123 is jada. This is another root verb which means to sleep. And the last for our review is word number 122, himne, and this is an informal way of saying cheer up. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.